Bullish Ariva, ARV, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.000581 and $0.001265 by 2030. Market investigators accept ARV could reach $0.000581 by 2025. Bearish Ariva market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.000103. Ariva, ARV, presentation. The mechanization of numerous areas in the worldwide market has developed quickly throughout the years as the industrialization of in a real sense each part of human existence became typical, like food administration, transportation, trade, and the travel industry. This progress has helped the general improvement of significant pieces of the market and the consistent combination of the conventional monetary market with the computerized resources industry. Tokenization of these modern cycles has turned into a basic component in empowering the development of the area in computerized reasoning, correspondences, and so forth. One of these tokens is the Ariva, ARV, coin. Ariva is viewed as a friendliness token for travelers, intended to make a broad informal community of elements inside the area like inns or Airbnb, cafes, and touring, giving a consistent encounter to the typical market client. In this video, we assess Ariva cost expectations from 2022 to 2030 with the guide of authentic information and high-level specialized examination devices like activity RSI, obstruction level, mists, support levels, unbiased extreme oscillator, and different elements. What will be ARV least cost esteem, the typical exchanging cost, and most extreme cost esteem in the following several months, and does it make a productive venture? For what reason would it be advisable for you to purchase Ariva regardless of the cost changes in the digital currency market? When contrasted with the general crypto market feeling, the ARV market cap is by all accounts doing very much contrasted with the other computerized monetary forms. So what are the Ariva, ARV, cost forecasts? What is Ariva, ARV? Ariva is a BEP20 token sent off on the Binance Chain organization by Ariva company that objectives the travel industry and cordiality area while making progress toward the worldwide reception of the advanced government capital. ARV has become one well-known token from the principal quarter of 2022 in spite of the variances in the crypto market. It has worked for the movement organizations, and global the travel industry specialist co-ops repeated on clients' past encounters and criticism. An explorer can make appointments with a cryptographic money while getting compensated for dropping criticism and sharing clever substance. Ariva, ARV, is helping the serious reconciliation of digital forms of money into the daily existence of a normal person while offering the customers an awe-inspiring encounter and quick installment network with their cryptographic money. As indicated by the ARV network engineer, the vacationer business faces significant difficulties, similar to the need to convey cash, and the misfortunes caused in view of trade rates. Ariva will kill these difficulties and make voyaging simple and useful. The organization's principal point is to facilitate the expense of executing a high measure of cash while keeping up with the significant level security that the blockchain gives. They offer an answer for an expensive issue in the worldwide cordiality economy, which likewise incorporates the steady trade of nearby monetary standards before a client is taken care of. Ariva, ARV, major investigation. Starting from the formation of the social cash Ariva coin, the web-based entertainment presence has been great in light of its imaginative assistance and ideas with the dynamic local area of in excess of 200,000 holders. As of late, ARV was recorded on significant trades, including bank, such as WAP, Stock, Whitebit, 1inch Organization, XD.com, Hotbit, PancakeSwap, Asbit, Dodo BSC, and Probit worldwide. They have facilitated numerous occasions that title the development and combination of blockchain innovation into the business and have since joined forces with huge organizations in the area. Ariva has joined forces with the Worldwide the Travel Industry Gathering and World the Travel Industry Discussion Foundation, WTFI, two establishments that were made to globally support the travel industry, social exercises. The numerous occasions that have been facilitated in the main quarter of 2022 were worried about the revolutionization of the travel industry and travel area that carried out the blockchain, expanding the extensive variety of installment decisions for explorers. Ariva, ARV, current cost. Ariva is right now worth $0.000129. ARV has moved 0.83% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,745,444. Ariva is right now positioned 774 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $9,307,991. Ariva, ARV, Value Expectation 2022. Ariva, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. ARV. The ARV cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.000194. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.000181 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. ARV is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000155. Ariva, ARV, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Ariva ARV cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARV will before long outperform $0.000323. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ARV's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ARV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000258 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.000284. Ariva, ARV, Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.000452 and ARV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ARV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.000413 and a low of $0.000387 in 2024. Ariva, ARV, Value Forecast 2025.